Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you. As you can see here, it's from Icarus Precision. If you know who Icarus Precision is, pretty sure you have a general idea of what this could be. Alright, so opening it up, let's see what we got. Got some stickers, and looks like oh, this is I guess my build sheet. So this is just a black P365 macro grip. So here, nice piece of foam sort of padding, and then it's right here in a nice Ziploc bag. Oh, this feels really good. So basically the reason why I had to buy this grip is because I reached out to Sig Sauer and they can't send over a X macro through the Friends of Sig program. So essentially I have to build my own. So my plan is to buy a 365 XL that's compliant for New Jersey. So the main issue was that the magazines for the X macro, they have a 17 round capacity. And even though the FFL that I'd be sending them to have the ability to make the magazines compliant, because they're not coming direct from SIG, their legal team has advised them not to send it over. I know there's a case, if I recall, there should be a case in California discussing magazine capacities at the moment, so hopefully that gets proved unconstitutional so we can have allegedly high capacity magazines. But here's the grip. It's aluminum. If I recall correctly, the X macro comes with a polymer frame, but this is aluminum. This is all one piece. You can see up here there's a nice cut for your finger, and it's a lot more texturized. I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe that could make it a little bit easier for you guys to see. The texturing on here, very aggressive, and this is a fixed back strap. So I know on the X macro, this you can actually swap out between small, medium, large grip module back strap pieces, but this is all one piece. So basically with this hole back here, all you have to do is push that pin out, and you can swap the whole module and the buttons for the magazine release. And then you can put the X macro slide or the P365 XL slide on here with the barrel and everything else. So that whole upper component. But overall, this feels really good. I shot the X macro before. I have yet to shoot the 365 X macro tac ops, but that's the barrel that I'm trying to put on here. So all it is just the tac ops, and the X macro difference is that the macro has the compensator and a 3.1 inch barrel, and the tac ops has essentially a 365 XL slide. And in my opinion, it's a better value because it also comes with 4 magazines instead of, I believe, 2 or 3 that the X macro comes with. And if you guys are into SIGs, you know that they are very expensive magazines. I think they're about $50 a piece for the on retail. But yep, this looks super awesome. I'm glad I got this. They just dropped it recently. I don't know how quickly they sell out, but if you want a slightly heavier grip module, then this would be a good solution. It is not cheap. I think I paid around $400 and change plus shipping for this. But if this is my potential carry gun, this is something I would want. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see next, and stay safe.